DoorDash primarily uses miles as the default distance unit, but you can easily switch to kilometers, especially useful in metric system countries. To change your distance units, start by opening the DoorDash app and navigating to your profile or account section. Next, look for the settings option in your profile menu. This is typically represented by a gear icon. In the settings menu, look for units or preferences. This section controls how distances and other measurements are displayed in your app. Here you can select your preferred distance unit. You'll see options for both miles and kilometers. Simply tap on kilometers to switch from the default miles setting. The changes apply immediately to all delivery estimates and restaurant distances throughout the app. You'll now see distances displayed in kilometers instead of miles. DoorDash also automatically detects your location and applies appropriate units. Countries like Canada, Australia, and the UK typically display kilometers by default, while the US uses miles. If you're having trouble finding the distance unit settings in DoorDash, here are the key troubleshooting steps to resolve common issues. First, ensure your DoorDash app is updated to the latest version. Older versions may not have the unit switching feature or may have it in different locations. Second, verify that unit switching is available in your region. Some markets have limited options, and the feature may not be accessible in all areas. If the problem persists, try clearing the app's cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing display or functionality issues. As a final troubleshooting step, consider reinstalling the DoorDash app completely. This ensures you have a fresh installation with all current features properly configured. Now let's look at the future trends and improvements DoorDash is implementing for distance unit management. DoorDash is actively working on several improvements to enhance the distance unit experience for users worldwide. The company is developing improved automatic detection algorithms that will better recognize your location and preferred measurement system based on your device settings and regional context. DoorDash is also enhancing support for mixed unit regions, where users frequently travel between areas using different measurement systems, providing more flexible switching options. Globalization trends are driving increased standardization across international markets. This includes enhanced localization features that adapt to regional preferences automatically. User demand for unit flexibility continues to grow, especially among international users and business travelers who need consistent experiences across different regions and measurement systems. These improvements will make DoorDash more accessible and user-friendly for the global community, ensuring everyone can easily use their preferred distance units, regardless of location.